Well, good morning.
Morning.
It's a beautiful day.
Beautiful out here by the pool.
A little breezy, but that feels good to me.
I got Pat sitting in the pool buggy.
Again. And so today is a sea day, as I told you last night. And I'll go give you a view of what the ocean looks like, because it's pretty nice out there today. Like I said, other than a little breezy.
It's a beautiful morning.
We've already came a long way from Curacao. We're almost up to Haiti, going between Haiti and Puerto Rico already. So we're maybe 100 miles south of there, but on our way to Grand Turk. So tomorrow we'll be in Grand Turk. But we'll bring you our antics today, because it'll probably be a cool day all day.
We're going to also see what we want to get for breakfast.
Yeah.
So hope you guys have a good day too.
I bet y'all $1 I get an omelet. I won the bet last night with the cookie thing.
I didn't get cookies.
She never got no cookies. But we chased down the guy. He had like 2 batches of cookies. And he wouldn't budge. He would not give her a cookie.
No cookies till 11:30.
So I'm going to fool him today. I'm going to go get a big old tray of them and put them in our room. That way she's happy. All right. But anyway, so we'll bring you our antics today. We'll see you in a little bit. Yep, the pool area. It's about 7:40. I was out here a little after 7. And it's the calm before the storm. But this is a little older crowd on this ship, so not as wild as normal, like on the Paradise. As you can see, the pool's a little rough. Sometimes when it's really rough like that, they won't open it, but it was rougher a little bit ago. It was coming up over the walls. We got our breakfast, we got our cereals, our jellies, our peanut butter, our apples and bananas and cheese, more fruit everywhere. We got ham benedict, potatoes, scrambled eggs, sausage, grits, grilled ham, French toast, pancakes, eggs.
Oatmeal.
And your oatmeal, and then your bread's over there. What you got there, love?
Oats and toast and a muffin.
That's it?
Yeah.
Not very hungry?
I'm eating.
Oh, well, I'll show you. I'm very hungry. I got coffee, a homemade one, of course. I do the instant. Toast, potatoes, a little bit of jelly, and a big old fat omelet. Nice day, a little windy. But for the most part, pretty nice day. LCL, not sure which one.
Guess what they
morning
fry
show
in Scotland? Pizza. Whole pizzas.
It's amazing.
Fried in batter.
Yeah. So flip your pizza over, pop it in the batter, in the fryer, and then you can put it on bread. It's disgusting.
That's not necessary.
That is. It's so good.
A fried pizza sandwich.
Deep fried pizza sandwich is amazing.
Here I am with Thomas. Diane, we already know Roy. Roy there. And
their favorite YouTube channel is what?
Party
to Cruising! Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Here we are, the best pool waiter on board, Percy.
My best friend.
My
On
new
board,
best,
on board.
my new best friend. He brings
His
beer.
best friend. His best friend.
Absolutely. Thanks, Percy.
Welcome, sir. Thank you.
Hi,
What's up, kids?
this is Sandy from North Carolina.
North Carolina.
She's
I'd have never guessed that.
She's gonna get a banana split tonight.
And what she's a big fan of.
Party at 2 Cruising. Yeah.
And that didn't look real convincing.
Yes.
Here it comes. Here comes my boy. There he is. There's my boy. Percy Cruz. Oh, now you're Percy Cruz too. He's really not Percy Cruz too. What you see there is just the opposite side of Haiti. This side is the Dominican Republic, and that is Punta Cana, right off there in the distance. Big popular tourist destination, Punta Cana. We're on the opposite side. We're on the eastern side of Haiti and the Dominican Republic. All right, here we are. We've been out at the pool all day long.
Pool party.
Right after pickleball, which we both on separate teams lost. First round, we were done.
Sorry, we'll
So-
do better next time.
Yep, so we've been here since about 9:30, and it's about 4:30 now.
Yum.
We're getting ready to go into the just what we need, the Diamond and Platinum party.
Have a free party with the captain with all the drinks you can want and appetizers. Then we're gonna go to dinner. Then we're gonna go to Deal or No Deal. And then guess what? We're going to the stop. We're going to the honeymoon.
We're going to the-
Anywhere.
You know, we always go to the Love and Marriage show
Yes.
because it's awesome.
It's fun. And then we might go to the casino. Yeah, I'm going. I'm going to the casino tonight. I'm going to win lots of money. What's up, me?
I'm down.
He's down, I'm up. Yeah, baby.
All right, we'll see you in a little bit.
We'll show you the parties.
I know you don't want me to see me take the shower. I'm going to take a shower. See ya. All right, the gang is growing. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. We got 2 more days. I'm not really sure what this guy is. Does he have 4 eyes? I really can't figure it out, but whatever. So anyway, I'm sure they'll be partying tomorrow. We go to shore in Grand Cayman, they'll be partying.
Burden runs off my shoulders. How can I hurt when I'm holding you? So breathe them every day. Keep them close by, don't you let them fade away. And just remember what I forgot to say. Baby, write this down.
I'm talking to all cruise on. If you haven't met me yet, my name's Joe. I am your cruise director here on the Magic. It's my pleasure to be your cruise director. And I get to walk around this ship all day long, talk to you wonderful individuals and hear about your vacations and get to hear your wonderful stories about your cruises and all that lot. But there is also some very important people that don't get England beat India in the cricket, and we're all very happy about it. Okay. And next up, we have the captain's right-hand man. He is our staff captain. Put your hands together for Ivan! And finally, the gentlemen, at the end, we are a floating hotel from casinos to cabins, restaurants, bars, waterworks.
Thank you.
Who's everybody? When is there? I always get more applaud than you.
Usually just the ladies have more. Some girls' trips in there. Come on up, you two. Hello there.
All right, here we are with
Shannon.
And
Getting
Jimmy. She's
more
a diamond.
subscribers for Party of Two Cruising.
Yeah.
Maybe we're going to the beach with them tomorrow too. Who?
Absolutely, Jack Shack.
Jack Shack. We've never been to Jack Shack, so
Get
they're
on
going
the back,
to
Jack
treat us
Shack.
to something new.
Jack Shack.
Jack Shack.
And they said they have beer, so we're good with it.
We'll see you there tomorrow, Shannon and Jimmy.
That's it. And what's your favorite channel?
Party of Two.
Party of Two.
Cruising.
This just doesn't go well most of the time, but
Party
hopefully
of
they'll
Two
subscribe. Bop, bop, bop. Good times never seem so good. Mary's first appetizer is spaghetti carbonara. What are these,
Fried
babe?
oysters.
Fried oysters, and I got mushroom soup. My second appetizer, Caesar salad and shrimpy cocktail. Yummy, yummy. Terry got lobster and prime rib with a baked potato. I've got lobster. Oh, and another lobster. You're allowed two. Yum, yum. Carrie got the sugar in a mold, creme brulee. What do you think about it?
Very, very good.
That's what she says. And I got, you knew it, a banana split. All right, there's our cards. Here's our numbers. And we could get called up there, or we could win another way. Who's gonna win this, baby?
We're at Deal or No Deal, and guess what? We
I'm
are
gonna
gonna
win.
win.
I'm gonna win
We got
$1,000.
2 cards, and Pat is gonna win something big.
I'm gonna win $1,000. I'm gonna get up on the stage here in a minute.
Yes, he is. Go Pat.
Maybe.
Go Pat.
Probably not.
Listen to that music. Isn't it tense, everybody? Now are we ready for Deal or No Deal? Who wants to be up on the stage right now?
One is going to be offering you right now. Now on the next round, Erica, you keep going. You're going to have to open 4 cases, okay? 4 cases after this one. And at this moment, the vendor is offering you $154. She doesn't even want to think about it. She's saying no deal. She's going to keep going. So vendor, thank you, but no thank you. That's exactly. And Donna won the $200. So you are making money for other people. Lauren, now all of you, you need to buy her a drink right now because she made some money for you. Thank you so much, Donna. I'm going to help you right over here so you get paid.
Noise, it's Joey Boys! Hello, everybody! There's a lot of people in this lounge tonight. Welcome to the...
In the middle, moved the safety, and then came back with that throw.
They go for good.
All right. Busy day, really.
Yeah, it's Thursday night, but we had a real busy day, and we're very, very exhausted.
Thanks for watching.
We got up really, really early this morning, went and had breakfast and sat outside, and then we played pickleball. We lost, though. We lost. Then we sat outside all day in the sun, talking to people, having fun. So what else did we do, my love?
Well, then we went to the Deal or No Deal show, and I won bingo cards for Saturday, C-Day. And we just went to a Loved Marriage show.
Hilarious.
And I think that was about it.
I'm exhausted.
I went to dinner, as you saw in the video.
And I really want to go to bed, but...
And she's ready to go to bed, so gotta have your hot chocolate before you can go to bed. So anyway, cheers. As our cruise director, Joey, he's actually a new cruise director.
He's really funny.
And he's really, really good. He'll probably be one of the top 3.
Yeah.
And he really never says his last name. I'll find out and I'll let you know. But he always says cheerio in the mornings when he comes on. But really good cruise director. So
we like him. We've had fun with him today.
All right. So tomorrow, Grand Turk. We're going to get off and take you to, what is it? Jack Shack. It's way down the beach, and we're gonna walk down there or fly or whatever.
We're not gonna fly.
And we can't fly? No,
We're not gonna fly.
whatever.
We're gonna walk.
We're gonna walk the beach all the way down to it. And it's, I guess it's like a bar restaurant thing, and a lot of people are going there. Jack's Shack.
Okay.
Be careful how you say that. Cheers. See you tomorrow
Good
in
night.
Grand Turk early in the morning. 8 o'clock we get in. So see ya.
Good night.